attention?
Yeah. All right, here we go.
Let's go in 3, 2, 1, rumble! And goes right to position. Yeager goes up 100. I'm not sure he's got his weapon on yet. I got here. That doesn't mean anything. We've got the deviator. We're in the deviator from his path. Nice rounded back in, and that rounded back in allows him to get flipped up. He's going to come right on over. Looks like he'll be able to drive both sides, no matter which direction he's going towards the wind. Would not be a weapon. He's upside down. Bullwater trying to get position. Oh, we see a wheel come on.
Play our Zach.
And he's only able to spin.
Slam him. You can't stand. I got a lot of power. What? I have power loss.
If you don't tap out, I'm going to turn them loose on you.
You guys move? Yeah.
What are you guys going to do? He can move. You guys can get it?
Don't worry about the weapon too much. Wait for an opening. Wait for an opening. Go, go, go. And why does it shut off? Turn off the remote, turn it back on.
Hold on. Is it stuck? Is it stuck?
Is it stuck? I'm not getting anything.
He's not
Hit the
getting
wheel.
anything.
I'm not getting anything.
You're not stuck, right? All right. Guess what?
See, I told you. It sounds like you have a pine bomb in there.
There we go.
All right.
Leroy Jenkins.
What is on the ground?
Nice hit.
one wheel dropping.
24 seconds left. Come on, hit each other. There we go. Oh, it's stuck on the end. Oh, that's next counter.
Hey, just start spinning in circles.
10-second countdown. 10.
Run your chainsaw.
5 seconds left in the match. 3, 2, 1. Time's up.
That's gonna take a while to slow down.
We'll give it all the time it needs.
The sound scares me a little.
I am powered off. You gotta hear it in there. There we go.
It's here.
All right.